let's try two different methods to find out area of any given objects right in AutoCAD. Alright, first I'm gonna draw an object by using line. Okay, there are a total of 3 different methods to take out the option. The first one is you can have it right from here, is there, or you can go for MEA, then you can get into area, which is same as that of right in here. And the final method is AA. Alright, in this method, first after picking up any method, you can go for the first method is, you can pick up all those points which you want to find the area. Okay, then finally, hit enter, so you can find the area of the object is 3048. Now let's see something about the units. Okay, is it meter square, centimeter square, or kilometer square, feet square? What is the area? The length that you have drawn defines the units of the area. So maybe assume that I've drawn this in meter, 41.3 meter. So the area will be this much meter square. Okay, what is this much? Area will be 3048 meter square. If the 41 is in kilometer, the area will be in kilometer square. After knowing the unit of length, it is quite the matter of calling the calculator, and right in here you can have unit conversion right in here, or maybe area. So assume that I've drawn the 41.3 is in meter, so the area will be obviously in meter square, so square meter. If you want to convert this right into maybe acre or maybe hectares or maybe whatever be the units, maybe I'm gonna go for square feet. So 3048, so this will be 32,808 feet square or square feet. So that's how you'll be converting the areas. So now let's get into the second method of finding out the area. First, if it's drawn by using line, you can join it to make it a polyline, and now get into area. You find an option object here and select the object, so that will give you the area, which is same as that of before. Now let's try to subtract the area of these two circles right from this value, and you can do it manually, or you can go for an option hatches right here. I'm picking up the pattern, and after picking up the pattern, select the pattern and get into list. That will give you the deducted area, or the area of the shaded portion. Now the last method, you can do the same thing by making yourself a subtract area option here. Get into subtract area, then pick up the objects, which is these two objects which I want to deduce the area from. Now hit the enter key. Now get into add area object, and pick up the option, pick up the outer object right here. So that will give you the total area of 2777, which is same as that of the area received right from hatch, I think. Yeah, so that's how you'll be finding out the area of the objects. Now let's try to do one more thing. Assume that we're having a site here. This is the existing residence. So if you want to find out the total area of this plot, you can go for area, then picking up all these points, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It'd be convenient if I turned off the ortho. Picking up all these points here, and finally hit the enter key. That will give you the total area of the plot, which is drawn in centimeter, so this one will be area in centimeter square. So we can convert this right into feet square or whatever be that by using converter. And that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching.